on, guys? It's another day, another wave here in Tofino, BC. It's snowing today. It's a pretty rare treat out here on the west coast, and we're gonna go try and find some waves. It's pretty flat here this morning, so we're gonna head down to Cox Bay and see if we can find any waves out there. I'm gonna have to ride my bike today because I don't have winter tires, which today would be an asset, but usually we don't need them. So it's gonna be an adventure, and hopefully we get some good clips along the way. Let's go. Whew, well, we made it. I can't believe we're surfing in a blizzard today. It's totally cool out here. You can see the trees are already getting so covered. I know the bike back is gonna be pretty challenging, but we'll walk if we have to. That's what we gotta do to surf in Canada, right? it for today's video. We're thoroughly frozen, face is cold. So please like and subscribe, support my channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Phew.